Construction in the US is a $1.4 trillion industry annually, and it serves the $40 trillion built environment. Yet construction remains one of the least digitized sectors in the country, according to McKinsey, and there's a number of reasons for that. You've got the political clout of the trade unions, you've got the silos between all the hard hats on any given job site, and you've obviously got the sheer complexity of the industry, right? Construction jobs are difficult and very, very complicated, so technology has a hard time sometimes getting in there. But change may be afoot. Let's break it down. Last year, we saw funding of north of $2 billion hit the construction tech industry. There was a flurry of M&A activity, and Congress just passed a $1.2 trillion infrastructure bill. Trickle-down effects are expected to hit the construction tech industry as well. Despite some headline failures, could this be construction tech's big moment? So we could separate construction tech into three broad categories. You've got material science, which is basically investment in more energy efficient, cheaper, lighter materials that are better for the environment. Green steel is a great example of this. You have a Swedish firm called Paydirt, which recently announced that it had shipped its first steel made without coal. Another big area of interest is mass timber, which is beautiful, it's faster to build, it's cheaper at scale, and it helps us slash carbon emissions. So those are two examples of material science. The next bucket is software and analytics. That's really any programs that make job sites safer, more efficient, easier to organize, better integrated, and there's been some big deals in that front too. Recent highlights include Procore's $500 million acquisition of Lean's payment platform Levelset and Hilti's $300 million purchase of job site management platform Fieldwire. And now the last big bucket is robotics and automation. This refers to everything from modular and prefab construction, printed homes, 3D printed homes, robot labor, drones, etc., etc. There's been some big developments on that front too. So Icon 3D, which is a 3D printing startup, raised $207 million in a Series B, and more interestingly, it's partnered with Lennar, which is a home building giant, on a 3D printed community just outside of Austin. You've also got Cover, which is essentially a prefab backyard home manufacturer. They just raised $60 million in a Series B, and obviously you've got drones all over job sites, monitoring everything from safety to compliance. So there's a staggering range of problems to be tackled in construction tech. It is a huge field with big opportunities, but it also comes with the most risk of any corner of prop tech. There is financial risk, there is timeline risk, and because lives are involved, there's obviously reputational risk and safety risk. So it is the most risk-laden part of prop tech. There has been one massive dead elephant in the room, Katerra, which raised $2 billion from SoftBank and then folded, leaving developers with half, finished projects and really no way to pick those back up. In the wake of Katerra, people have sort of abandoned this one-stop shop solution and instead gone for something that neatly integrates different third-party applications and provides a seamless experience with trusted vendors. So for me, pound for pound, construction tech is the most exciting part of prop tech. The opportunity is massive in terms of financial opportunity, but also potential to reshape the built environment is the largest from any part of prop tech. Now, that's what I think. Love to hear what you think. Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to give us a like and follow on YouTube and Instagram.